Hello, Stampin' with Charlene friends. Well, it is Tuesday, May 4th, 2021, and that means it's Happy New Catalog Day. Hopefully you have received your copy. If you are a regular customer of mine, I ordered one and had it sent directly to you. If you do need a catalog, send an email to charlene@stampinwithcharlene.com. There's so much information that I need to give you tonight. Not only is it New Catalog Day, there's a special promotion going on with Stampin' Up right now, and it's also our May card class in the mail. So, number one is the catalog, and I will talk about things in the catalog as I go through and make tonight's card, which is our May card class in the mail. I love it. We are using the color and contour set with the coordinating products. And the reason I love this is because it's introducing you to the new in colors for 2021 through 2023. You're gonna love them. I am in love with them. I don't want them to ever go away. It's a fun card design for the month of May. It's really easy. It's just one small piece of cardstock with this fun little flap on the front. It's 5 cards, one easy layout. I'll give you the details throughout the video. But first, let me tell you about a great promotion. If you got your catalog and you are in love with it and want like everything you see, consider the Hostess promotion or the Join Now promotion, which is going on from today until the end of May. It means signing up to be a demonstrator, but that doesn't mean that you need to give us your firstborn child. You can just sign up and never do anything again. It's a great way to get a lot of products. And the promotion is you get to select $155 US of products for only $99 and free shipping. It is a no-brainer. It's a great way to get all the new in colors, all of your favorite accessories and stamp sets. It really goes a long way. And you never have to do anything again. We will not come and hunt you down if you don't sign up, sell anything else. It's just a no-brainer as a way to get a lot of product. So it's for only $99 plus tax, no shipping. You can select $155 of product from the new catalog and from the ongoing mini catalog. So, new catalog, promotion, and card class in the mail for the month of May. So let's get started on the design, and I will talk about the other things as I go through the tutorial. Before I show you the tutorial for the card, I want to talk about the color and contour bundle, which is new in the brand new catalog. And I want to show you one of the great changes that Stampin' Up! Has made to the photopolymer and the clear stamp sets. If you open up the case now, you'll see that each image is printed on the insert for the stamp set. So you can easily just put the stamps right on the case. They'll just stick right there. So you'll know what stamps are missing, and then it's so much easier to store them this way. Now, what I love about the dies that coordinate with the stamp set are the different shapes. Just look at all of these rectangles that you get that have the scallop, like the larger one has the scalloped edging. They all have a scalloped edging, but if you look at this one, and then the one I'm going to use tonight has a stitching on it too. So this one has like a little polka dot detail there with the scallop. And so I'm going to use the smallest one here and then the next size up. So you'll see this is a great set to have regardless even if you just want to buy the dies and not the stamp set. It's great to have because you can do so many different things with these shapes here. So let's get started on the tutorial. Here's a close look at the card design. It's fun and easy. It's just a piece of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 cardstock, and then we attach this piece to the top. This is the brand new Pale Papaya color, the Pale Papaya ribbon, and this is the little bumblebee trinket. So cute. And the designer series paper is, this is the hand penned designer series paper. So to start making the card, you just need to take a piece of cardstock that is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then our designer series paper is 4 by 5 1/4, and we just want to attach this There, like that. Actually, before we attach it, I always forget this part. Let's attach the ribbon first, and then we will adhere the cardstock. So, already starting off with an oops, but that's okay. Okay, so we're gonna attach our ribbon first and tie a bow to the side. And then we will go on to the rest of it. These new colors are just so stunning. I absolutely love them. Whoops. I have to admit that the current in colors for 2021 really aren't my favorite, but the new ones are, get ready to see these all the time. So now for the layer here, this is a piece of 8 by 2 7/8. And it's the same color, and then I just scored it at 4 inches. So it is going to fit right on top of, you'll see the top here and the bottom line up with the piece of designer series paper. Okay, now this is the pattern of the designer series paper that I used for the card. So I just flipped it over, and this is what I used, the die. I used the die from the bundle to cut out this piece here. And that's what gave me the scalloped edges and then the stitching. So you just want to cut that out with your die cut machine and adhere it to the top. It's so easy. That's why I use this design for the card class in the mail, because you will be able to whip out 10 cards, no problem. And then you'll see that to decorate the card, I stamped 2 of this image here, and I used the coordinating die to cut these out. And that's this right here. And then for the You're Absolutely Amazing, I just stamped it on white cardstock, and I used the smaller die, this one right here, the scalloped edge, and then I just adhered it there, and then I stuck the little trinket on. That's how easy this is to make. So let's just take a little minute, since it's such an easy card design, to just go through the catalog. And I want to show you a couple of tips. Whenever I get a new catalog, what I do is I take a highlighter and I go through and I just highlight all of the stamp sets that I own. So like this is the first one I turned to, Timeless Tropical on page 21. I know that I already own this, so I just highlighted it right there. That way when I'm going through the catalog, I'll know what I already have. So I know that I already have this Dragonfly Garden stamp set, and I have the bundle, I have the punch, so I have that highlighted. And then I do the same thing. I do it for all the stamp sets, and then I do it for, I don't do it for the paper and the ink because I have all of that, but or for a lot of the accessories, but I do it for the things that I don't have one of everything of. Like the designer series paper, a lot of times I don't remember which one I've ordered, what I have in my stash, so I'll do it for the designer series paper. And then I especially do it back here for the ribbon, because it's hard for me to remember what ribbon I ordered and didn't order. And then I definitely do it for the embellishments, because I can never remember which ones I have. So when you highlight things, that is the best way to keep track. But everything is so stunning. And look at these are the loose flower flourishes, which I'm going to show you on the samples. That will be in the card class in the mail. And there was one other thing. Oh, look at this, something brand new that we're going to be playing with pretty soon. The soft pastels. I am so excited to get these and try these on different projects. So many fun things to incorporate into your paper crafting. I am so in love with the new catalog. So let's take a look at all of the cards that are part of the May card class in the mail. You remember you'll make 2 of each. So this is the sample, and this is the pale papaya. And then there's this beautiful one, which uses the fresh freesia color. And this is the loose flower flourishes embellishment. See that cute little 3D flower right there? This one also uses the fresh flower flourishes. Whew. And this is evening evergreen. This one is just, it's Night of Navy, but the flowers here are, I used the polished pink Stampin' Blend to color in the flowers. It's a really beautiful bright pink. And then finally, there is this one here, which is the soft succulent color, which I love. And then another loose flower flourishes. Say that 3 times fast. But they're great cards to, they have great sentiments on them, and they're just a great card to have for any occasion. Great all occasion cards. So what do you think? Do you like the new in colors? I love them. So let's review all of the 5 cards that are part of the May card class in the mail. This one here. And then we have the sample. We have this one here. Love these colors. This one, and finally this one. So remember, in addition to all the details for the May card class in the mail, there's also the brand new catalog that you can go through and just eat it all up. There's so many fun things in there. And then finally, there is the opportunity to purchase $155 worth of stuff for only $99 plus tax, free shipping, and no other obligation. So if you have any questions, just send an email to Charlene at stampinwithcharlene.com, or you can go to my blog, stampinwithcharlene.com. It's too much to remember. And you can read more information there. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.